We're very quickly approaching the end of 2024. It's been an incredible year for growth and development here on the channel. And to end the year on a high note, wind things out, we're going to do one more giveaway / contest. And recently I upgraded my iPhone 15 Pro Max to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which means that it's unfortunately the end of an era. And so the prize for this contest is none other than the Clicks Creator keyboard for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, not to worry, this is not the same Clicks Creator keyboard I've been using this entire time. This is a brand new one for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm keeping the one I've been using so far because of the sentimental value, because it does have that special founder's number on it, because I backed it while it was in pre-production. So I'd like to keep that one. This one is brand new from their website. It is completely unopened, unsealed, and ready for its new home. So if you want to enter the contest, just click the first link down in the description below. It'll take you over our contest page where you can enter in a number of different ways. Thank you all for your huge support this past year. As I said, it's been an incredible year for growth and development here in the channel, and I can't wait to see what 2025 brings for me and for you guys as the audience. Thank you for watching. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video.